In a peaceful desert, under the scorching sun, lived a humble rabbit named Remy. Remy was known for his curiosity and adventurous spirit. One day, while exploring a hidden canyon, he stumbled upon a rattlesnake named Rattles. Rattles, unlike other snakes, was wise and had a unique gift: he could foresee danger. He warned Remy about the perils hidden deep within the canyon, but Remy, blinded by his curiosity, dismissed it. Ignoring Rattles' warning, Remy ventured further into the canyon. The deeper he went, the more he realized the wisdom of Rattles' words. He found himself trapped in a labyrinth of danger, facing obstacles he had never imagined. In the heart of the labyrinth, Remy encountered a massive pit filled with venomous creatures. He was terrified, but in that moment, he felt a strange calmness. He looked back, remembering Rattles and his warning. Suddenly, Remy noticed a small vine hanging from a ledge above him. With all his might, he climbed up, escaping the pit just as the venomous creatures closed in. When he reached the top, he sat, exhausted but alive, and wept tears of gratitude for Rattles' warning. From that day forward, Remy never underestimated the wisdom of those who saw what he could not. He realized that everyone, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, could possess a gift that could save him. And so, he carried Rattles' warning with him, a reminder to always listen and learn from those who see what he cannot.